The average location of a drone's mass is a point that is called the center of gravity. If you were to suspend a drone from its center of gravity point on a line, it would remain perfectly stable. Each of the 3 axes of rotation move about the center of gravity. Let's look at each axis. Rotation around the lateral axis is called pitch. This movement changes the vertical direction of the drone's nose. Rotation around the vertical axis is called yaw. This movement causes the nose of the drone to move left or right. Rotation around the longitudinal axis is called roll. This moves the drone's wings. When one wing goes up, the other goes down. When a drone moves, it can combine any of the movements around these axes. With a fixed-wing drone, the direction of travel is always in the direction that the nose is pointing. When we now look at the axes of rotation for a rotary drone, you will see that it is very similar to a fixed-wing drone, pitching up or down around the lateral axis, yawing around the vertical axis, and rolling around the longitudinal axis. But there are some differences too. It's important to remember that rotary drones can fly backwards and forwards, left and right without forward motion, and up and down without forward motion. A rotary drone can also turn 360 degrees around its vertical axis without the need for any forward motion. The same is true with the lateral axis. A rotary drone can pitch up or down to create either forward or backward motion. And lastly, movement around the longitudinal axis creates a roll and movement to the left or right without any forward motion.